This tricks will definitely help you in your competitive exams, in your school exams, in your college exams. And now we are starting the topic. So the first topic is, listen carefully, my dear students. First topic is how to calculate square roots of non-perfect squares. Non-perfect squares. Okay. So first of all, I like to represent you what are non-perfect square. What do you mean by non-perfect square? So I am taking an example, that is root 25. Root 25 is a perfect square because root 25 is 5. Okay. Root 36 is 6. But if question is root 7, you need to find the value of root 7. So how you will find this value root 7? How you will calculate this value root 7? So you already know in your school exams, school don't allow you to use calculators. So without calculator, how you will calculate the value of root 7? Okay. So I will share a small and interesting trick how to calculate the value of root 7. Okay. And all the numbers which are non-perfect squares. So first of all, how you can calculate root 7? So for this, I am writing here the squares. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25. I am writing till 10. Okay. 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64, 9 square is 81. Okay. And 10 square is 100. Now you need to calculate the value of root 7. So the trick is this, that you can write root 7 as root 9 minus 2. This is the trick. How? Listen carefully how. So this is 7. So 7 is nearer to 9. See here, 7 is nearer to 9. So in place of 7, you can write root under root 9 minus 2. Okay, this is a trick. Listen carefully. This is the important trick. Root 9 minus 2. You know the value of root 9. Root 9 is 3. Okay, and write it as it is minus 2. Now you need to do a square. You need to twice this value of 3. Okay, you need to twice or multiply it by 2. That is 3 to the 6. So write 6 in the denominator. It means you have to double the value of 3, that is 6. Now take LCM. Take LCM. Okay, take LCM. How you can calculate LCM? Let's see. 6 is LCM. 18, 27. Okay. So you will write here 27. You will write here 27 minus 2. That is 25 upon 6. Just wait a second. Here you will write 18. 18. Okay. Here you will write 18. 18 minus 2. So 18 minus 2 is 16 upon 6. Okay, 16 upon 6. And you can calculate 16 upon 6. It value will be 2.666. Okay. So value of root 7 is approximately 2.666. This is the answer. You can calculate any value. Listen carefully. You can calculate any square root of non-perfect square by this method. I am taking one more example. Don't worry. I will give you most important tricks. It will be most helpful in your competitive exam, in your school exams, and for class 8, grade 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and whenever you need mathematics and whenever you need to solve the calculation, you will need these types of tricks. Let's take one more example. Root 10. You need to find the value of root 10. Now see the squares. Root 10 is nearer to 9. You can write or you can split root 10 as root 9 plus 1. Value of root 9 is 3. Here you can write as it is like 1. Now you need to double this 3 and put it in the denominator, right? It means 3 into 2, that is 6. Listen carefully. Once again, listen carefully what I am saying. I am saying you need to double this 3 and write it in the denominator. So 3 plus 1 upon 6. Take LCM. 18 plus 1. If you don't know how to take LCM, then simply you can find the value using cross multiplier. 3 6 are 18, right here 18. 1 1 are 1, right here 1. And here it's plus, so here it's plus. So 19 upon 6. Approximate value is 3.166. It means value of root 10 is approximately 3.166. Okay. Okay. Caution. Zishan is saying why we double. So dear Zishan, it is a trick. I am sharing you fast calculation trick. That's why in this trick it is compulsory, it is essential to double. Okay, this is a small and fast calculation trick. That's why. Please check it again. Please check it again. This is the first question. Root 7. Approximate value. You can write 2.6 or 2.64 or 2.66. Okay, root 7 value. And root 10 value is 3.16. Okay, approximately. Let's take one more example. Okay, Zishan, I am taking one more example. So that it can be convenient to you to understand. Root 21. If you need to find the value of root 21, see carefully, dear students. Root 21 is non-perfect square. Now check these squares. Okay. Here, root 21 is nearer to 25. And the point to be noted is you can also write 16. 16 is also nearer to 21 and 25 is also nearer to 21. Either you choose 16 or 25. It is up to you. So I am choosing 25. Okay. So I can write 21 as 25 minus 4. Okay. I have split it 21 in 25 minus 4. Root 25, value of root 25 is 5. You already know. Right here, same 4. Now double it. Double. You need to write double in the denominator. Double means 5 into 2. Okay, Zishan. Here, again, I'm repeating. You need to take the double. You need to take the twice of 5, that is 10. So right here, 10. Now take LCM, lowest common multiplication factor, or we can say LCM. How you can do LCM? If you don't know, listen, if you don't know how to calculate LCM, then simply you need to cross multiply it. 5 tens are 50. 1 fours are 4. Divide it and now multiply 1 into 10, that is 10. You will get 46 upon 10. Approximate value is 4.6. So root 21 approximate value is 4.6. So this is the method. Okay. Approximate value is 4.6. This is the answer. So by this method, you can calculate. Okay, good, Zishan. Good. Now I am giving you a small problem. How you can determine the value of root 13. Please calculate the value of root 13. Please calculate the value of root 13. I am waiting for your answers. Okay. I am waiting for your answers. Okay, Zishan is saying divide process. So Zishan, you simply need the division rule. Division rule means, okay, I am solving this question fully. We can split root 13 as root 9 plus 4. Value of root 9 is 3. 3 plus 4. Double of 3 is 6. So 4 upon 6. Okay. You can also simplify it. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. Write this. Now cross multiply it. 3 3 are 9. Again cross multiply it. 1 2s are 2. And multiply it. 1 3s are 3. 11 upon 3. Now divide process is 3 is here, 11 is here. 3 3 are 9. 2. Okay. Decimal 3 6 are 18. Again 2. 0 3 6 are 18. So approximate values of root 13 is 3.6. 3.6. Approximate value is 3.6. This is the answer. Okay. Now we are moving forward to the next step, or we can say, yes, we can use 1-time decimal or you can use 2-time decimal. It does not matter, but according to me, if you need complete or we can say accurate answer, then you can use 1-time decimal. Now we are moving to the next trick. This is a very important trick. Root trick of type 2. Type 2 trick. It is again a trick of roots, but type 2. It means, see the question, root 3 plus under root 3 plus under root 3 plus under root 3 plus up to infinite. This is a question up to infinite. You need to calculate this value. If you proceed with the longer method or bigger method, you should need 15 to 20 minutes to solve this question. But we can solve it using a small trick. Okay. Mr. Firi is saying, why adding 4 upon 6 since joined late? Okay, so you have joined late. Okay. Just wait a second. Dear student, actually, I am solving this question. Then after, I will discuss your problem. Okay. Firstly, Concentrate on this question. Then afterward, definitely I will resolve your problem. Now question is this. Question is this. Question is this. How you can solve this type of root? So I am sharing a small formula to calculate all these types of questions. That formula will definitely help you to calculate the roots of these types. Formula is, listen carefully dear student, listen carefully. Formula is under root 4a plus 1 plus 1 upon 2. By using this formula, you can calculate any root problem of this type. Root 4a plus 1 upon 2. What does a means? A, here a is 3. Okay. It means here you can put a equal to 3. How? Let's check. 4 in place of a you can put 3. Why 3? Because in this question 3 is repeating again and again. So 4 into 3 plus 1 upon 2. So answer will be 4 here 12. 12 plus 1 13. Root 13 plus 1 upon 2. Okay. I have already shared how to calculate the square root of non-perfect number. I have already shared. Okay, I have already shared the formula. That is 3.6. So in place of root 13, you can write 3.6 plus 1 upon 2. Now 3.6 plus 1 upon 2 will be 4.6 upon 2. Then solve it. Solve it, you will get answer. How you can solve? 2 ones are 2 and 0, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. 2.3. Approximate answer is 2.3. 2.3 will be the answer of this type of questions. This is a simple formula. Okay. Clear? So 2.3 will be the answer. Now calculate the value of this. Root 7 plus root 7 plus root 7 plus root 7 plus up to infinity. Now I am waiting for your answer. I am waiting for your answer. You should calculate its value. How did we obtain root 13? Okay, dear student, I will, after this question, I will again repeat the previous question or previous solution. Don't worry. In this question, how you can calculate, I am waiting for your answers. Okay. It's a small question and easy question. Mr. Firi, are you getting my voice? Actually, I got your message that I am unable to get your voice. So now you are able to hear my voice? Okay. Miss Chitra is saying 3.15. Okay, okay, Firi. Okay, very good. Yes. Okay, good. Miss Chitra is saying 3.15 is the answer. Okay. Now I am solving. Let's check what formula I have wrote here. This is the formula. So, Mr. Firi, what is the value of A here? kindly comment in the chat box what should be the value of A in this question. What is the value of A in this question? What is the value of A in this question? Value of A, okay, 7 is the value. Nice. Root 4 into 7 plus 1 upon 2. Solve it. Please solve it. 7 for 28 and 129 plus 1 upon 2. Value of root 29. What is the value of root 29? Root 29 is approximately 5.3. So I am writing here 5.3 plus 1 upon 2. 5.3 plus 1 means 6.3 upon 2. Okay, 6.3 upon 2. Approximate answer is, I am writing here 3.19. 3.19 is the answer. Now I am checking the answers in the chat box. Just wait a second. I am checking your answers. Yes. Miss Chitra, your answer is approximate same. Approximately your answer is good. So very good, Miss Chitra. Zishan, I have already shared you the trick how to calculate the value of root 29. So kindly check that trick. Okay. Firi, Mr. Firi, you are saying 2.6. Okay. No, 2.6 is not the answer. Answer is approximate 3.1. Answer is approximately 3.1. Answer is approximately 3.1. Okay, approximately 3.1. Now the next trick, if question comes like this, root 3 minus root 3 minus root 3 minus root 3 minus up to infinity. This is the question. So Miss Chitra, what is the difference between the previous one and this one? Okay, Mr. Firi. Okay. Miss Chitra, what is the difference between this question and the previous ones? What is the difference? Difference, okay. Hi, yes, Mr. Jishan or Mr. Firi. Difference is that here minus is there, here minus is there, here minus is there, here minus is there. Okay, and in the previous one it is plus. So formula, a little bit formula will change. Like here you can write root 4a plus 1 minus 1 upon 2. In place of this plus, you will write minus. Now solve this question. Nay, Zishan, Mr. Zishan, you have to write in the chat. Okay. So sorry, I will not able to unmute anyone. So kindly reply in the chat box. And many other students also participate in answering the questions. Okay. I am waiting for your answer. Solve this question. Kindly solve this question. Mr. Firi. Dear Firi, what will be the answer of this question? Can you please write the answer? Miss Chitra, Harry. Okay, okay. I am solving this question. I am solving this question. Here, value of A is 3. Root 4. In place of A, we can write 3 plus 1 as it is, minus 1 as it is, upon 2. Solve it. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Root 13 minus 1 upon 2. We have already calculated the value of root 13. Root 13 is approximate 3.6. Okay. Value of root 13 is approximate 3.6. So write here 3.6 minus 1 upon 2. You will get 2.6 upon 2. Remove this decimal. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2 and 3. Answer will be 1.3. Very good. Dear Zishan, your answer is absolutely correct. Miss Chitra, your answer is also absolutely correct. Mr. Firi, this is the formula. Okay, this whole is the formula. This is the formula. Again, I am writing here the formula. This is the formula. Okay, you should learn this formula to calculate these types of roots. Okay, so very good. Okay, so today we have learned how to calculate the value of square root of any non-perfect number. Mr. Firi, I am again, actually you have joined the late. So I am again repeating one more time how to calculate the square root of any non-perfect square. So listen carefully. Listen carefully. If question is root 7, you need to calculate the value of root 7. So how you can calculate? For this, listen dear Firi, for this, firstly you need to write the squares up to 10. You need to write the squares up to 10 like this. Secondly, you need to split this root 7. Like 7 is nearer to 9. Okay, 7 is nearer to 9. So you can write root 9 minus 2. Root 9 minus 2. I am sharing you a trick. So kindly listen carefully. Root 9 is 3. So here I have written 3. Now listen again carefully. You need to double this 3. It means 3 into 2. 3 into 2 is 6. So you have to write this 6 in the denominator of 2. Again, I am repeating. Here you need to twice this 3. So 3 to the 6. So write here 6. Now take LCM. It means 3 minus 2 upon 6. Now you have to calculate the LCM of this. So after solving the LCM, you will get 2.6. So this will be the answer. This same phenomena